When you buy a slow cooker just because it's cheap, you usually pay for it later. Uneven cooking, scorching on the bottom, flimsy lids, and meals that don't turn out the way you expected. In busy US kitchens, that kind of frustration defeats the whole purpose of slow cooking. That's why choosing the right slow cooker matters more than ever. A good one should cook evenly, handle family-sized meals, and actually last for years. In this video, I'll reveal the best slow cookers for US kitchens models we researched for performance, reliability, and real-world use. Stay with me till the end, because I'll share the one mistake most buyers make when shopping for a slow cooker, and avoiding it could save you money and ruin meal. Before you drop money on just any crock pot, here's what really matters in a slow cooker. First, understand how slow cookers work. They cook low and slow by maintaining consistent heat over hours, which is perfect for busy mornings, big batches, and hands-off meals. But not all models distribute heat evenly. Capacity is crucial. 4 to 6 quarts fits most US families, but if you regularly cook for guests or meal prep, 6 to 8 quarts gives you room to spare. Next, check heat settings and control, low, high, and preferably a programmable timer so it automatically shifts to warm when done. Manual dials can overcook, especially if you're out all day. Shape and inserts matter too. Removable stoneware pots with sturdy lids make serving and cleaning easier, and oval shapes fit roasts better than round bowls. Material and lid seal affect moisture. A tight lid keeps liquid where it belongs instead of evaporating. Safety and convenience are real considerations. Look for models with cool touch handles, dishwasher-safe parts, and a cord storage option so it doesn't take over your countertop. Finally, even when you're hunting deals, don't overlook US-based warranty and support because parts wear out and you want easy replacement or help. Real pitfall to avoid: buying a tiny, underpowered unit because it's cheap. Undersized slow cookers take forever to heat and won't handle large cuts, leaving you underwhelmed instead of fed. To make choosing easier, we've picked the top 4 slow cookers for US kitchens with different sizes and features. Check the links in the description. Coming in at number 4, Bella Slow Cooker. This one is built for big family meals without overcomplicating things. The Bella 6.0 quart programmable slow cooker is designed for batch cooking, and at 10.58 pounds, it feels sturdy on the counter. This unit runs at 260 watts, which is on the lower side, meaning it cooks gently and evenly rather than aggressive. That's great for soups, chili, and stews. Moving on to materials and care. The stoneware pot features Bella's Evergood ceramic non-stick coating, which is free from PFAS, PFOA, PTFE, lead, and cadmium. Food releases easily, cleanup is simple, and the tempered glass lid lets you check progress without lifting it. The pot and lid are dishwasher safe, making post-dinner cleanup much less annoying. For controls and convenience, you get 4 programmable presets: 4, 6, 8, and 10 hours, plus automatic switch to warm, adjustable low, medium, and high heat settings, cool touch handles, non-skid feet, a touch-activated display, and a tangle-free cord wrap for neat storage. In terms of safety, the cool touch handles and stable base help reduce burn or spill risks during use. What real users say: customers love the size, ceramic coating, and overall build quality, saying it looks expensive, works well for family meals, and offers good value. However, feedback on temperature is mixed. Some say it keeps food perfectly warm, while others feel it doesn't get hot enough for faster cooking. Who should buy this? This slow cooker is best for families and anyone who wants simple, hands-off cooking with easy cleanup. For the latest prices, check the links in the description. If you've ever hosted a big family dinner or holiday gathering, you know the struggle of cooking enough for everyone without running back and forth to the stove. That's where the Hamilton Beach 10-quart slow cooker shine. Weighing 15.7 pounds and running at 450 watts, this oval-shaped cooker can handle a 10 pounds turkey or a 12 pounds roast, making it perfect for serving 12 or more people. One standout feature is its lid lock system, which clips tightly to reduce spills while transporting meals to potlucks or the table. No more messy mishaps. The slow cooker offers 3 heat settings: low, high, and warm, letting you maintain ideal cooking temperatures. It's simple to use. Just turn the dial and let it work. The removable stoneware crock and glass lid are dishwasher safe, making cleanup effortless, and the full grip handles make lifting and carrying hot dishes safe and easy. From a safety perspective, the lid lock and sturdy handles minimize spills and accidents, while the durable stoneware and glass construction ensures long-lasting performance. Real user feedback: customers love the large capacity for big families, noting it easily fits 2 whole chickens. Many praise the easy-to-use temperature controls and the locking lid for transport. Some mention that liquids can boil on the warm setting, but overall, people consider it worth the price. At number 2, we have Crock-Pot 6-quart cook and carry. If you want a slow cooker that's perfect for family dinners and safe to take on the go, this is a strong contender. This oval-shaped slow cooker weighs 7.92 pounds and runs at 200 140 watts, making it lightweight yet efficient. With a 6-quart capacity, it serves 7+ people, ideal for medium-sized families or meal prepping for the week. One of its standout features is the programmable digital timer, letting you control cooking times anywhere from 30 minutes up to 20 hours, so you can literally set it and forget it. The locking lid with gasket ensures spills are minimized while transporting food to parties or potlucks. For versatility, it's oven-safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and can even be used in a microwave, expanding your cooking options beyond traditional slow cooking. Material-wise, it combines aluminum and stainless steel for durability and easy heat distribution, while the removable stoneware pot and dishwasher-safe lid simplify cleanup. Safety features include the secure locking lid and gasket, reducing mess and making it worry-free for travel. It runs on standard 120 volt with a 1-year limited warranty for peace of mind. Customers love the set and forget functionality and the family-friendly side. The locking lid makes transport easy, though some users mention the heat level can be inconsistent. It heats quickly for some, while others find it gets too hot. Overall, users consider it reliable, easy to clean, and a great value for money. If you need a programmable, travel-friendly slow cooker that handles family meals or potlucks efficiently, this crock-pot combines portability, reliability, and convenience in a compact, medium-sized package, taking the top spot. Ninja Foodi Everyday Possible Cooker Pro. If you want to replace multiple appliances with one powerful, versatile tool, the Ninja MC1101 is a standout option. With a 6.5-quart capacity, 9.93-pound weight, and 1,400 watts of power, this cooker is perfect for medium to large U.S. families. Its cast iron, stainless steel, and glass construction ensures durability and even heat distribution, while the included oven-safe pot lets you transfer food from the cooker to the oven for a crispy finish. What sets this Ninja apart is its 8 cooking functions: slow cook, sear/saute, braise, keep warm, white rice, brown rice, oats, and pasta. Essentially, it replaces 10 kitchen tools, from slow cookers and saute pans to rice cookers and Dutch ovens, helping you save countertop space while preparing meals up to 30% faster than traditional methods. The adjustable temperature control allows you to sear meat for flavor or cook low and slow for tender results, making it ideal for one-pot family meals or weekly meal prep. Cleaning and maintenance are simple. The dishwasher-safe pot, lid, and rice spoon make cleanup fast, and the Cool Touch handles ensure safety while moving the cooker. Customers rave about its versatility and functionality, particularly the ability to sear meat before cooking. Many highlight its perfect size for smaller kitchens, ease of use for one-pot meals, and simple cleaning process. One user specifically said there's no need for extra pans. Overall, they consider it worth the price. This cooker is ideal for U.S. homes that need a compact, multifunctional appliance capable of handling everything from weeknight dinners to meal prep. If you want one device that replaces multiple kitchen tools while cooking faster and cleaner, this one is a smart investment. Slow cookers make dinner easy, but prepping all those veggies and ingredients by hand can still take forever. If you want to save time in the kitchen, check this video on food processors. They chop, slice, and shred in seconds. Thanks for watching.